Alright, cheers for joining me. My Mk7 has been making a bit of a right racket lately. It's that annoying squeaking sound from the engine. You know the one. I'm pretty sure it's just the fan belt and the tensioner on its way out. Access is a bit tight, so I've whipped the front wheel off and pulled back the plastic liner inside the wheel arch. If you look just here on the alternator, you can see all this fine plastic dust sprayed about. It means the tensioner pulley is wearing right down and basically grinding itself away. Find the tensioner and get your spanner on it. You have to give it a good pull anti-clockwise to move the spring. Once the belt goes slack, just hook it off with your other hand. You don't need a massive toolkit for this. Just a new belt, a fresh tensioner, a spanner, and a spline bit. I'd also recommend getting your phone out and taking a quick photo of the belt before you touch anything. If you forget which way it loops round the pulleys later on, you'll be in a proper muddle. Since I've got the belt off, I'm swapping the tensioner unit too. It's just a couple of bolts. It's a bit of a tight squeeze to get the tools in there, so just take your time and try not to bark your knuckles on the frame. Now trying to get the new belt on. This is usually the part where you start swearing. You've got to loop it round all the pulleys, the crank, the AC, the alternator, and make sure the ribs are lined up perfectly. Once it's all sitting right, pull that tensioner back one last time and slide the belt over. Make sure it hasn't popped off any of the other pulleys while you weren't looking. So that's it. It's a bit of a fiddly job and you'll probably get a bit greasy, but it's doable at home. If you found this useful, maybe give it a like. Cheers for watching.